Hammond Manufacturing offers a variety of Stomp boxes. The 1590 series consists of rectangular-shaped boxes. The 1590 TRP series includes their trapezoid-shaped enclosures, and the 1590 STP is their series of octagon-shaped boxes. All variants of these cost-effective Stomp boxes and their lids are made from die-cast aluminum alloy, which allow for EMI shielding. Additionally, these enclosures are available in an assortment of attractive colors, yet their smooth exterior finish allow for easy adhesion of labels and/or silkscreens. On their own, these boxes are designed to meet the IP54 rating, but when using the gasket kit accessory, the rating increases to meet IP66, which is ideal for outdoor use. These rugged yet easy to machine boxes are well suited for many electronic projects.